Hello, gorgeous. Can you guess at what I'm unboxing today? Do you know what this box is? Fun. If you want to know what I got in my box, and by the way, this is the first box that you got to pick everything in the box. So, yeah, I'm super excited. If you want to see what I got in my box, then stay tuned. Hello, thank you for hanging out with me. I got my FabFitFun box for summer. Hooray. Excuse me. This is the first box where you get to pick everything in your box. And I think it's kind of bittersweet because I feel like when they were curating the boxes for you and you only got to pick a certain amount, you got more items. Or maybe it's just you got less expensive items, maybe? I don't know. Anyways, this is the FabFitFun box for summer. Super excited to have it. Oh, look. Inside the box, it's got like ice creams and all kinds of fun summer stuff. I know that they've changed their packaging and stuff on their boxes to be like more eco-friendly and stuff like that, which is super cool. And their packaging here. We've got our magazine and all of the extra stuff. Step into the sun, FabFitFun. $15 off a box. If anyone's interested in that, let me know. We've got some fun stickers here. And then we have our items in our box. So, this box... Oh, wait. They got the fall teaser on their thing here. Let's see if we can guess it, guys. So, their fall teaser, fall 2021 teaser. From the crunch of the leaves under our feet to the cool breeze on our cheeks. Can you tell that we're already excited for the fall box? Here's a sneak peek at what's to come. Embrace downtime from the skin to the soul. So it looks like some, I don't know, body products or something maybe. Get outdoors and explore. So that's kind of exciting. And home is where the heart is. So spruce up your space. So it looks like some candles and blankets. I don't know what's going on with this tree though. What do you guys think that could be? Get outdoors and explore. I don't know. But it looks like we're going to have some body products. So, now that we get to kind of pick everything, I feel like we get less items. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Okay, so we have all the customizations here, and I woke up late, so there wasn't a lot to pick from left. So in the first customization here, you could pick from this Murad, or what is it? Summer Friday CC Me Serum, the PMD, the beach tote, the scarf, this outdoor blanket, wine cooler, and a tie-dye towel. And some of the items were already sold out. So I picked the beach tote, which is pretty cool. Like, it's a neoprene beach tote. So it's easy to wash, easy to take care of, hopefully. And it'll be nice carrying it to the lake and stuff when we go to the lake this summer. It's got a nice handle here. It's really soft material. It's neoprene, so it's that really soft material. And it's really big inside. It's roomy. It's got a snap here. Let's tear this off so we can see. Oh, it's handles, not a strap. And the inside is really big. It's a really big tote. You got an inside zipper here for special stuff. So yeah, I'm excited to take that to the lake. It's a very hot pink, which is perfect for summer. Okay, customization 2. You could get a nightgown here. You could get the shampoo and scalp scrubber. You could get the jewelry box, which was here. And then they had some bands, some like exercise bands. I think people are calling them booty bands now. And this one too. And then on the other side, there's, what is that? Oh, the guacamole and salsa bowl, a cube speaker, chart of the sea moisturizer, and then this Business and Pleasure Co. cooler bag. I really wanted the cooler bag, but they sold out of those. So I ended up getting the so the shampoo and the scalp massager, which is pretty cool, I guess. I don't know. I haven't tried this brand of like shampoo, but I have tried some of their other like hair care products and I really like them. So I figured why not? What I wanted was gone. So this was my number 2 choice. This isn't giving me any of the prices on here either. So I don't know how much any of this stuff is worth. But I don't usually base my choices off what it's worth anyways. I base my choices off what I'm going to get the most use out of. So customization number 3, you could get the wine glass or the, is it a wine glass? 12-ounce wine tumbler with silicone straw. Then they had the Super Goop sunscreen. Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo, which was this one right here. AG Recoil Curl Activator, which was this one right here. The Poolside Water Resistant Pouch. So this one was just a pouch. Bobble Bar Build Your Own Bracelet Kit, which, you know, I make my own jewelry, so I have enough of that kind of stuff. Malin and Goats Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. That's really good stuff, you guys. Nectar Blue Light Blocking Glasses, which is right there. And so I chose the Super Goop sunscreen. You can never have enough sunscreen in the summertime. And this stuff I've heard is really good for like your face. So I was super excited about that. It's hard to find a good sunscreen for your face that doesn't leave you like oily or greasy or whatever. So I'm going to give this one a try. So customization number 4 was Sensual's Vitamin C Facial Serum, which is this one. Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Spray, which is this one, which I have that one. African Botanicals Shimmering Gold Oil, which is here. TF Publishing Brain Teasers and Activity Book Bundle, which is here. Okay, that was all in that one. And I got the Vitamin C Facial Serum, which is this one right here. You can't go wrong with vitamin C. And I'm so happy. They put it in a dark bottle, so it's not going to go bad. Glass bottle. Super excited about it. I wanted the shimmering oil, but they were out by the time I got on. It is what it is. So on customization number 5, we have the Mented Cosmetics lipstick, but I think you only got one. Yeah, so you can get it in Blood Orange, Peachy King, or Blacker the Berry, which none of those colors really were suited for me. Mind Tan Body Skin Recovery After Skin Gel. I wanted to get that one, but they were sold out. Solar Selfie Ring Light. Dr. Brandt Pores No More Purifying Cleanser. So there's the cleanser. Flight Mode High Altitude Hydration Mask. To the Market something printed tray, which is not really my decor choice, or a set of 6 cutting boards, which were here, which, you know, I have plenty of cutting boards. I got the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Cleanser. I love Dr. Brandt, you guys. Wonderful, fabulous brand. If you have a chance to try it, you should try it. All of the stuff that I've tried from them is fabulous. Okay, so customization number 6. There was a lot of stuff to choose from. And most of it was gone by the time I got up, which was kind of sad. So they had different sets of like little things that you could get. So like all these little sets of stuff were a choice, and most of them had this pineapple ice tray in it. There was a pair of Kate Spade socks. Butanique Beauty eye gels, so eye patches. Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream, which I really wanted, but it was out. Erno Laszlo Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. That one was also out too. Verso Botanical Super Eye Serum. I didn't need another eye serum, so. Ole Henriksen's Fat Glow Facial Mask. I have this, and I haven't tried it yet. I got it in BoxyCharm. And then Lashes MD Eyelash Conditioner, which I really, really, really wanted to get. You guys, that stuff actually works. It really does work. And then Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion, and I wanted that one too, but it was gone as well. So I ended up getting one of these little things up here. I got the one that had the Spongel sponge. These are amazing, you guys. So it's like a sponge that it's like a body wash sponge that you use that's already infused with soap. And they smell amazing. Oh, I love them. So it's just like a little flower, and it's a sponge, and when you get it wet, it soaks up, and you just clean your body with it. It makes bath time like super fast. But you got to keep it out of the water. You can't let it get like wet all the time, because it'll just run the soap out really fast. This one is in Tea Blossom, and it smells amazing. I love the way it smells. And then I got the pineapple ice cube tray, and also the, what is this? Barefoot Scientist Pedicure File. So it's got a bumpy edge, but it's a file. You can feel that it's metal in there, and it's got, you know, another edge that you can use. So that's what I picked, because that's what was left. The other ones I wanted weren't there. And then I did get an add-on. I don't usually purchase add-ons with FabFitFun. I got 2 add-ons. I ended up getting the selfie light ring. They were out of them in the choice, but then it let me add it on. I was so mad. I was like, okay, you won't give it to me, but you'll let me buy it. Whatever. So I bought one of the selfie rings. It's upstairs. And then I also bought this Dr. Brandt 3D Lip Plump Fix. I haven't tried it yet because I wanted to do this video first, but it's supposed to plump up your lips and make them bigger. And all of the Dr. Brandt stuff that I've used before has been fabulous. So I'm like, if you can make my lips 3D, oh, yes. So that's what I got in my FabFitFun box. FabFitFun box. Let me know what you guys think. Did you like my stuff? I like my stuff. Even though I didn't get to get the things that I really wanted, I still like pretty much everything I got in my box. Obviously, you can pick it now. What do you guys think about being able to pick your own stuff now? Do you feel like we're getting like slighted or cheated or anything like that? I mean, honestly, with this bundle thing that I got 3 more items. So I guess that's not bad. So I got 6 customizations, but I got 8 items. So, and that's what they used to give you before, isn't it? I think the last choice is you can choose from like a few little things or like one expensive thing. I think that's how they put it in their little letter or whatever. So I don't know. I was pretty happy, pretty excited about it all. I'm really excited to use this head scalp thing, massager thing in the shower. I think it's going to be like really relaxing. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that notification bell, subscribe, comment, talk to me. What do you want to talk about? As always, I hope you have a fabulous, fabulous day. And remember, keep sparkling.